Hi everyone, my name is Kumar, Assistant Professor from Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS Institutions. In this video, we are going to discuss about different types of operation in the machine. What is the name of the machine? This machine is known as lathe, father of the machines. With the help of this machine, we can able to produce different types of operation. Some of the major operations behind the lathe machine are we can able to produce the turning process, phasing, knurling, grooving means cutting the parts, and then we can also able to produce drilling and boring operation with the help of this machine. Before going into the topic, we will just rewind what are the major components of the lathe machine. Some of the major components are headstock, tailstock, carriage. In carriage, it is divided into two parts. One is the apron box, cross line, tool post, and then the carriage moves to and fro motion with the help of the vice. There are about two types of vice, flat vice and then bench vice. The carriage moves with the help of the star, free rod and then the lead screw rod. Now, different types of operations, cutting parameters, it will be explained by our students. Hi guys, can anyone explain about the different components of lathe machine?
Yes, right. I am Sardaraj from third year mechanical department. In this lathe, we have headstock and a tailstock. The headstock holds the workpiece. It is a 3-jar jack which has 3 faces, and it is tailstock which gives a support to the workpiece. And next comes the bed. Bed is made up of cast iron to absorb the vibration to the earth. Next comes the carriage, which contains 2 components, apron and a tool post. Next we have a vice, and next spindle and motor.
Myself Namika Krishna from third year mechanical department. So I am going to tell about the process or operations on the lathe machine. So in lathe machine is called as universal machine. We can do n number of operations using the lathe machine. Few of them are phasing operation. Phasing is the process of reducing the length of the shaft. So while with doing phasing, we can reduce the length of the shaft. And turning is the process of reducing the diameter of the shaft. You can see the difference. This is the unmachined area, and this is the turning operation done area. So the diameter is smaller than this one. And the another one is taper turning. Taper turning is the process of angularly machining the shaft. So it has some certain formula, which is d by tan inverse of d by d minus 1. D is major diameter and another d is the one is major diameter and another one is the smaller diameter. So while with that formula, we can calculate the taper angle, and by tilting this tool post, we can obtain that angle, and the machining process can be done.
Parameters cutting speeds, feed depth of cut. It can be the lathe has MR, material removing rate of the materials. It can the flow of the chip by chip process. There are more types of chippers. Continuous chippers built up, continuously built up chippers can be removed by the machines. Yeah.
So let me explain the other things to done with the lathe machines. As you can see, here is the step changing process, which we give the depth of cut based on the step we have to produce, and knurling, and we have an angular turning process, which is done by the angular motion. By we can move this tool up and backwards. And many of you think, why do we use lathe for the machining process? So we use lathe for the machining process, which can be easily produce the product we have. We think about by using this lathe. In lathe, we mainly use for rotating round-like structured products, which is like a shaft and other materials. We not only done the turning and other operations, we have drilling operation based on the special drilling of tailstock. So, lathe is one of the oldest machine and mechanical machine, which is invented for the purpose of making the shaft and other kind of materials. cylindrical types of materials. And in this lathe we have a motor and different types of speed system based on the material we have selected. So in lathe machine we have a surface finish which is done by the lubrication, and we have to mainly use lubrication system while we use knurling and thread cutting. Thread cutting is one of the major process done in the lathe. And the lathe have two types of drive, gear drive and belt drive systems.